Welcome to today's guided breathwork session. This is part of my new guided exercise series on this channel. It's less educational than my educational content here, but more direct practice. This session is about refining awareness and slowing down your breath in combination with your pulse or heartbeat. You learn to feel the subtle mechanics of your breath and your awareness to calm the system in a way that's both gentle and deeply effective. This practice trains your awareness to guide the breath rather than relying on external pacing. It strengthens the ability to regulate your nervous system through interoception, feeling your body from the inside. With repetition, you will notice clearer focus, reduced emotional reactivity, improved decision-making, higher vagal tone and HRV, and a calmer baseline state for the whole day. It's a simple session, but surprisingly transformative when practiced consistently. Before I explain today's practice, my name is Kitaro and I'm a breathwork and mindfulness coach with a 20-year background as a traditional martial arts and movement teacher. To support this channel and my work here, please check out the links in the description. So the premise of this guided breathwork practice is simple. Slow down your breathing to open a window for deeper awareness and gently learn to control your breathing breath by breath. When you slow the rhythm down, it's like turning on the light inside the body. You begin to feel your diaphragm moving, the abdominal wall stretching, and the weight of gravity underneath you, and even emotional tension loosening. This isn't about pushing or performing, it's about creating the inner stillness where clarity naturally emerges. It's just like looking into a lake. You only see the depth when the surface becomes calm. Today's practice, we will explore slow nasal breathing, light expansion in the lower belly, and short pauses after each inhale and exhale. You will regulate the rhythm yourself. No timer, no preset. You will let your awareness be the guide. So, let's begin. Make yourself comfortable. Sit on a meditation cushion or lie down on a yoga mat. For the sake of this video, I will sit on a cushion. Let your gaze soften. Align the spine, hips, shoulders, and head so your body feels supported. Feel how gravity is pulling you downward. Let the body surrender into that weight. Transfer your weight downward and melt further into the surface you're sitting on. Breathe naturally. Don't change your breathing yet. Just notice it. Bring your awareness to the lower belly area. Feel the movement as the breath gently expands and contracts in the area. You can explore this feeling in two ways. Shift your attention around the belly, front area, then to the sides, and your lower back. You can imagine your awareness as a spotlight, highlighting different areas where you focus your awareness to that point. Or you can let your awareness spread evenly to sense the full 360 degrees belly area around you. If your mind wanders, return it to the sensation of your body. It's a natural state of your mind. Don't blame yourself for that. Just bring it back to the practice. Now begin slowing down your breath. Inhale lightly, deep into the belly area, to your abdomen. Try to increase your inhalation. Make it slower, make it longer and deeper. Feel the light stretch in your abdomen area without pushing yourself too much. It shouldn't feel effortful. Again, feel the expansion at all sides. Exhale easily and soften your body into gravity. Each cycle becomes just a little longer, a little quieter. Let the slower rhythm reveal the details within you. The diaphragm moving, the abdominal wall stretching, tension melting on the exhale, a soft, emotional release. After your next inhale, pause for 2 to 4 seconds, or if you can, count 2 to 3 heartbeats. If you can feel the pulse in your chest, stay relaxed. Feel the intra-abdominal pressure in the stillness, and then exhale. And at the bottom of the breath, hold again. Just a short, quiet pause. Feel your pulse again and let it count to 6 to 9 pulses in stillness before you inhale again. As you continue, adjust the holds based on comfort. If the inhale feels urgent or gaspy, shorten the hold again. If possible, feel your pulse, chest, or other areas in your body, wherever you feel it the best. Let it guide your breathing. Slowly release the pauses. Return to a natural but unhurried rhythm. Remain in stillness. Get aware of your inner state. Your consciousness as the surface area of a lake. Calm, still, and deep. Let calmness, peacefulness, and focus emerge from the depth of your consciousness. Now add some small movements into the body. Wiggle your fingers, your toes. Gently stretch your spine. Now take a last full inhale, full in, and let go with a sigh. If you want to go deeper with practices like this one and learn more about breathwork and mindfulness, this session is part of my weekly sessions inside the Breath Rituals community, my Breathwork and Mindfulness Academy. Inside you will get weekly live guided sessions, a growing library of recordings and pre-recorded guided breathwork videos, structured programs and challenges, breathwork courses, and a supportive community practicing alongside you. You will also get a practice plan, 90-day roadmap, which I call Breath Map, to always know what to practice. So if you enjoy these guided sessions and you want more depth, guidance and accountability, you're always invited to join inside the Breath Rituals. So see you in the next session. Bye.